going on, guys? We're back. We're back on the Canon G7X as well. Sorry if you can hear the heater. It's cold in the garage. It's February in Michigan. It's cold. So this will be a little different one for you guys. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing and an install video to see if you guys like that or not. The reason I'm back on the Canon can do things my iPhone can't. The iPhone actually does really good video, but I kind of want to get back in routine with using this and editing on my laptop because it's like been a pain doing it both. Plus, I'm starting to learn some things I can do on the Canon in my editing process that should make for some sick content. So let's get into this unboxing real quick. As you see, you got the white Jeep behind me. I'll explain why I haven't been wheeling that. You see the dirt bike over there. Anyway, so we do have stuff coming for this. The wrap is not done yet, but that's okay. We're working on Jeep stuff right now. So first, here's box 1 and 2. I really think there should be another box, but I'm not 100% sure. We'll see when we get into this. So here's the boxes. Don't mind, my bench is a mess. Anyway, box 1. You can already see what this is. So yes, this is some LED RGB rock lights that are Bluetooth. So I ordered these up. Have yet to even open this. We got a nice little pamphlet here, and got instructions. I have no clue where I'm gonna put these guys. Absolutely none, because on the Jeep we don't have an inner fender. No inner fender. So I don't know where to mount that where it's gonna look clean and give a nice wash. The rear will be fine because we have all the wheel well to work with. So I'm gonna download this app really quick, but let's check out the rest of this junk. Okay, we got a Bluetooth controller with a QR code on it, so we can do that. 4 inlets, fused power to the battery. Okay. Ooh, a remote. So I don't even need the app. Even better. Alright, now let's check out these lights. Let's yeah, it's a drive shaft right by my arm. Let's see how long these whips are. Well then. So these look like some different style mounting brackets right here. Get away from that. Different style mounting brackets right here. Can't really see through the plastic. Anyway, toss those up there. Then, oh, they come with a pretty decent size. Well, brand new. I dropped that thing right on the floor. That's literally how my luck goes. So, looks like they have a nice whip to them. I thought I was going to have to do a lot of wiring for this. So the fact I don't have to do a lot of wiring, not that I'm opposed to wiring because I'm an electrician, I just thought I was going to have to run a bunch of wires in. You know, these things got these push pins. As long as everything goes in like it's supposed to, so far look like good quality. Still not sure how I'm going to mount them on the front yet, so I'm going to do some looking around. But we got 4 of those guys. And then, put these guys here. Make sure we're zoomed out. We are. And then, what's in this box? But this box looks freaking tiny. Literally tiny. For what else I ordered. Ooh, I see. Dang. Look at the piece. But what the hell? There's only one. I thought I ordered 2. Who orders 1 headlight? Like, this is a freaking sweet headlight. Look at this thing. So, we got some new LED headlights. I kind of wanted to spruce it up a bit. These actually have this can work as a turn signal. It lights up amber, or you can use the other whip and it'll light up white. From what I've read online and seen, but I really thought I was gonna get 2 of these. So now I gotta order freaking another one that's annoying. So obviously this project ain't gonna get done today, but we're gonna jump right into it really quick. I don't know what I'm gonna tackle first. Probably throw the headlight in just to see, so I can see what it looks like, and then find a spot to mount that controller, and kind of find a spot to mount these front lights too. I don't think it came with screws, so hopefully they're good screws. If not, I don't think I have any self tappers here. I might, but let's jump right into it, and I'll check back in a minute. All right, so check it back in. We are made some progress. We threw the one headlight in, but one thing I was gonna do that I didn't do, and I'm kind of mad I didn't do it. I was gonna do it before with the old lights turned on, and I took them both out already, and I don't want to put them back in. But oh well. So hopefully, like you did this second edit, I'm about to edit here. Okay, I hope you like that. Hopefully it turned out, because I was super stoked. That's why I'm using this camera. But anyway, let's get back to it. So what I did first is set a rock light there, set one on that tire, and same for that tire over there and that tire over there. I routed all the wires. As you can see, this guy here, it's zip tied up, goes up over there, goes to the one on the fender there. This one's gonna go on the back side here, zip tied here, back there. We're gonna mount this guy right on the firewall right there. I need to cut this connector off and put a bigger one on it. Dang, that drives me nuts about this G7X. It takes forever to autofocus. Anyway, that stupid camera, but whatever. So all the extra wire I kind of just put up in there, and have been asked why I haven't been wheeling this Jeep. Main reason is what I'm about to show you. I'm gonna fix it, but it's bad. So this frame was far from perfect when I got it, but as you see, there's a hole right there and a crack going up right. You can see it, but a crack going up. But anyway, oh yeah, like that. When I had a length in it, it's just a traction bar, but so the wires go up, they go across my bar that goes across to the other side for the frame, zip tied up. And then down there, you can kind of see them down right there, zip tied up. And then up into this module right here. It worked pretty well. I don't have any self-tappers. I don't want to. They came with bolts and nuts and washers, and I don't want to do that because I'd rather just put them in different spots that I wouldn't normally have access to. So I'm going to do that, but I'm going to get to that tomorrow. So I'm going to check back in tomorrow after these are all wired up and lit up, and we'll just check back in. Alright, we're back. It's the next day. See, I ain't wearing a hat no more, and I got my heated jacket on. I'm freaking cold. Anyway, so hope you like the quick little edit. We got the other headlight in. Boom, boom. Let me know down in the comments what you think about these guys, because these guys right here can either be white or they can be like an amber color, like a blinker. We got the rock lights on. You can see them, you know, you've seen them in the edit before, but they're all done. They're all in place. They're ready to go. They're on the bottom of the tube fender there, and they don't stick out. All the wires and stuff are, you know, I mean, they're good to go. They're all, you know, out of sight, out of mind type deal. You can see the zip tie there and all that good stuff. So, quick thing, stay tuned to the Instagram over the next couple days. Tonight after this, I edit this video, I'm actually going to be working on something else. So hopefully it works out, and if it does, then you'll see on my Instagram, and shortly you'll see it on this. Sorry there hasn't been many videos this week. Last weekend was really busy, so we didn't have a chance to wheel or anything like that, so I just wanted to get a vlog up to keep you guys entertained. There probably won't be many of these, just because no one wants to really see this stuff, and I know this isn't going to get very good views anyway, so don't really count on it too much right now. Maybe down the road when we can do like new parts all the time, but right now it's just, I really don't want to put any more money into this thing than I have to. The dirt bikes can get money put into it, but the old Wrangler I think is going to be gone here. It won't be gone, but it's going to get torn apart here in the next few months is my assumption. That's kind of what I'm thinking I'm going to do. I'm going to keep everything out of it and just, I want to build something new. So if you made it this far in the video, I appreciate you. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, give it a share, and we'll catch you next time. Peace.